Hi fam, welcome to my channel. My name is Tommy, where I talk about all things Web3 related. If you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing to help me on my journey. I used to work as an NFT advocate for over a year, so I've got lots of alpha content to bring to this channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking how you can potentially get in on the future airdrop from popular Web3 wallet, which is MetaMask. Now, nothing is 100% confirmed. Following these steps will just put you in the best possible chance to receive the token airdrop, which is MASK. So way back last year in November time, Lubin, who is the founder of Ethereum incubator Gnosis, tweeted out, "When mask, stay tuned." Now this caused a big stir in the crypto community, for me included. I was like totally hyped about it, thinking, oh, is it going to airdrop this mask token? And it's been so long, almost forgotten about it. But now airdrops are back on everyone's radars, and it's like, yeah, I've personally been making swaps in my MetaMask since November, since I found out about this Lubin tweet way back last year. You want to go into your MetaMask, go into portfolio site, and this will take you to their new page, which you've got your portfolio and the bridge, and then you want to make a bridge swap. Before you get started, you are going to need a little bit of Ethereum to make the swaps and make the bridge. But I'm going to swap what I do have, ApeCoin. I'm going to swap that for USDC, and then I'm going to bridge that over to the Polygon network. It's never a good idea to keep any crypto on basically in your MetaMask. I always keep it in my ledger, so it's on my secure cold wallet. So you just go on swap, and then you want to click on what coin you have to swap. ApeCoin, USDC, review the swap, and then the Fox will do its business. And then it's 32.4 USDC, so I'm going to swap. So it's going to cost me that much Ethereum, which is fine. It is what it is. You're spending that much gas, but the potential could be so much bigger. You're just going to have to see it as you're throwing that money away. So that's it. My swap's done. Took my gas money. My ApeCoin's gone, and it's been swapped into USDC. So simple to make a swap. I've made so many swaps. The more you do, like, you can save money by using 1inch or Uniswap or whatever, but just keep using the MetaMask function. The more you use the MetaMask wallet, the better chance you're going to have to get the airdrop. Then the second thing you need to do is make a bridge. So I'm going to bridge from Ethereum over to Polygon, and I'm going to bridge that USDC. I'm going to just do $30. So here we go. I'm going from Ethereum to Polygon, 30 USDC, and it picks the best bridge, which is the hot bridge, which is going to cost $5 in gas, and it takes 10 minutes. So you just approve it, sign it, and then that's it. It's going to bridge it, and it's going to take the 10 minutes to get it. Job's done. That's it. You're in. Now I have used the bridge twice now. I'm going to use it one more time and bridge back into Ethereum from Polygon. So I've used it 3 times just to make sure that there is a better chance to get this airdrop. That's how important I feel this airdrop could be. I don't care about spending $5 gas here and there just to throw away. It's the potential is that you will get a massive reward. So if you found any of this useful, please like my video to help me out. I'm going to show you 2 bonus ways which could also potentially help you, which again will cost a little bit of gas, but it will give you the best chance to possibly get in on this airdrop. So the first bonus way will just be to create a Gnosis safe wallet, which is a multi-signature wallet, and you just want to link your main MetaMask Ethereum account to it, and you sign the contract, and then that's it. You're in. You've got your safe account. I don't use this. I personally use a ledger, but just do it because it's from Gnosis, and then it's the same company. It could be one of those steps that helps you. And then another thing that you can do is go into grants on GitHub and donate some money. So all the links for these will be in the description of the video. Create an account and then donate via the grants feature. You can do this on a layer 2 like ZK Sync, and it's just cheaper gas, or you can just do it on the Ethereum mainnet. It's up to you. But this could be also another good way to be getting a tick next to your name or your wallet to separate you from the rest to get the airdrop. I have just done a ZK Sync airdrop video, which I really bullish on as well, the layer 2 by ZK Rollup. I'll leave a link to you in the top left hand corner, whichever one it is, I'm not sure. As always, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment on what airdrops you're bullish on, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.